In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete files in Zotero. Deleting files permanently can be a crucial step in managing your Zotero library, particularly when you're looking to declutter your space or ensure sensitive information is completely removed. This video will take you through each step to ensure you understand the process thoroughly. We begin by opening the Zotero application on your device. Before you can permanently delete a file, you first need to find it in your Zotero library. Take a moment and navigate through your collection to locate the specific item you want to remove. Once you've found it, place your cursor on the item and right-click to bring up a context menu. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled Move Item to Trash. Doing this transfers the selected item into Zotero's trash, which acts as a temporary holding area for files you might want to discard but haven't yet permanently removed. It's similar to the recycle bin on your desktop, so remember, this step doesn't yet erase the item for good. Now, let's ensure this file is permanently deleted by moving on to the next step, which involves emptying the trash. Look over at the left pane of your Zotero interface, where you should see a category titled Trash. Click on this to display all the files that you've recently moved to the trash bin. Once you're in the trash, it's time to take the final step toward permanent deletion. Right-click on the trash button itself, and a menu will appear with the option to empty trash. By selecting this, you will activate the permanent deletion process, effectively removing the files from your library altogether without the chance of recovery. And there you have it, a straightforward process for ensuring your Zotero library stays neat and organized by removing files you no longer need. Just remember, once you empty the trash, the files are gone for good, so do take a moment to verify that everything in the trash is indeed ready to be permanently deleted. This process not only helps you with organization, but also keeps your library efficient and free from unnecessary clutter, which can be particularly helpful in large academic or professional collections. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for maintaining a tidy and sorted Zotero library. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.